Choosing the right cleaning bucket really makes everyday cleaning easier. Today, let's quickly break down the similarities and differences between the G1 compact bucket and the G2 easy use bucket. First, what do they have in common? Both feature a button-free clean and dirty water separation system. Their patented fourth chamber design keeps clean water and dirty water completely separates, so every rinse uses only fresh water. No manual operation, easy refilling, and more efficient cleaning. Both are equipped with 360-degree swivel wheels, making it easy to move around furniture and corners, much more flexible than traditional straight-wheel buckets. They also use an upgraded leak-proof drainage design with a raised drain outlet to help prevent leaks and spills. And compared with the G1 large capacity bucket, both upgraded models are more compact and easier to store at home. Now the key difference, the G2 adds an extra drainage hole in the rinse chamber, creating an automatic dirty water drainage system. With the G1, you need to manually pour out leftover dirty water before each use. With the G2, dirty water can be drained in one step, no manual dumping needed. Cleaning becomes faster and easier.